Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. Hello. Today we are making some medievally pants. I don't know if these are technically Viking inspired pants. They can also work for bards, rogues, anyone who likes to be comfy. Basically, I was scrolling online shopping for medieval pants, and then I saw this really easy pattern that I thought we would try and make today. So if you want to have these spicy pants for yourself, keep on watching. I wanted a more pastel pair of pants, so I decided to get some white linen fabric and this blue dye, which turned purple. Now this pattern starts with two 45 by 45 inch squares. So here I am folding the fabric in half and then measuring out the 45 inches and cutting along that line. Once you have measured out both sides to equal 45 inches, I'm then just going to cut along the fold of the fabric so that we get two perfect matching squares. Now we're going to move on to cutting out the shape of the legs. So you're going to start on the bottom at the edge of your fabric and measure to 17 inches. And I'm making a little mark there. Then you're going to go over from that mark 11 more inches. And then make a mark there as well. Next, you want to go between the two marks that we've just made and measure 13 inches down from the top, and then make a little mark there. Next, I'm just using my tape measure here to connect the top dot to each bottom dot and making a little dashed line there as a guide. Basically, we're just going to make a big triangle. So this is how we're looking so far, and then we are just going to cut that out. Now somehow my legs happen to end up different sizes, so here I am just readjusting that so that they are both 17 inches wide. That's a little bit better. So now we're just going to sew the edges here, 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 and here. And now they are starting to actually look like pants. But we're not done just yet because, as you can see, they do not quite fit, but that's okay. Now I decided to use about 2 inches for my waistband, and we are just going to do the super easy way. Okay, we're just going to fold it over once and then pin it down. And basically you're just going to go all the way down the waistband, folding it and pinning it over. Now we just have to sew along the pins, making sure to leave enough space for like a little string to fit through, like a little tunnel. Now if you want a cleaner edge than what I have, you can fold it over twice like this, and you'll have a nice clean finish. But I'm just trying to do the quick version here, so we're just going to fold it over once and sew it like that. So now we have the top waistband complete, and we're just going to go ahead and do the exact same process to the two leg openings at the bottom. So again, I'm just going to fold it over, pin it, and make sure that I do have enough space to fit strings here as well. So this is one side complete, and then I'm just gonna flip it over and do it all again. Now you get to choose what you want to lace up your pants with. Here I chose the faux leather string in the middle, but I do not recommend it. I ended up buying some drawstring after this video and then replaced all of my ties with that because it is a lot sturdier. Because of the design of these pants, if your string snaps, they will fall down and off your body. So I decided to cut about 55 inches of string, but if I were to go back, I would choose a little bit longer because it just makes it a little bit easier to string through the pants. Another trick to make your life a bit easier is to put a safety pin through your lace of choice. This makes it so much easier to thread it through the pants. Now I left my sides open right here so that I could thread the string through on the inside and have it hidden when I'm wearing the pants. But in the picture they do have it coming out the middle like a pair of sweatpants. So it's completely up to you where you want your tie to be. And basically what we're going to do now is just put the safety pin through the hole, bunch it up, and then pull the fabric to sort of pull it through, like so. Now that we've got it through one side, you're going to want to gather the fabric almost like a pair of curtains on a curtain rod. And this way we're going to free up some string so that we can go through the other side. And this is also what makes the pants fit pretty much anyone because it is very adjustable. Now that we've got one side complete, we're just going to flip it over and string through the other side. And now you're just going to tie that off and be completely done with the waistband. Now we just have to repeat the same process to the feet. I cut about 17 inches for my string, put the safety pin through it, and then just started threading it through again. Then flip it and do the other side as well. Once it's all the way through, you just want to gather the fabric together on the string and then tie it off. Now you just have to repeat the exact same process on the other leg, and then you are completely done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope this tutorial was helpful in some way, and I know it's not the most technically correct, but it's very easy, very quick, good for beginners. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye.